Hey guys, today's look is super fun and super natural. I had so much fun filming this video and doing the different looks with this beautiful wig from Elva Wig. So if you want to see how I styled this beautiful wig to look like my own hair, you already know what you need to do. Keep on watching. Let's jump right into it. So the details. This wig is from Elva Wig. This is their 10-inch curly lace frontal wig. As you guys can see, this wig does have a little bit of color added to it. It is some blonde highlights, which is super duper cute. I normally don't do curly wigs with color, but I'm so happy I went for it with this look. So here I'm just running my fingers through the hair, and I'm also about to run a extremely hot comb through the lace. And I did blow on the hot comb because it was extremely hot and I did not want to burn the lace, and I definitely did not want any type of heat to go through to my natural hair underneath the wig. So here I am just pressing out the hairline to see exactly what I'm working with. So as you guys can see, the lace falls directly on my ear, which is way too much lace. So I'm going to show you guys how to properly cut the lace off around your ears without cutting off too much lace or cutting your ear, because it's definitely possible and the shit hurts. So exactly where you see that I have placed the scissors is exactly where I am going to start cutting. Now the goal is to cut the lace off around your ear, so you want to follow the shape of your ear to make sure the hair lays flat behind your ear so you don't see any type of extra lace. And once you cut the lace off, you will notice that the lace has hair still attached to it. That's okay, that's normal, that's expected, so move right along. And this is what the lace should look like after you cut those ear tabs off. The hair should go behind your ear without any problem. Now go ahead and do the other side, the same exact technique that I just showed you, making sure you don't cut your ear. As I'm running my fingers through the hair, I noticed that this wig comes cut, and I was not expecting this whatsoever, but girl, I love it. So I'm just gonna keep swooping and flipping and figuring out exactly how I want to wear this hair, especially because I discovered that it is layers cut in this wig. This is gonna be a bomb ass wig. I can already tell. Girl, come on now. Now y'all already know the baby hairs is a must, so I don't want to hear it. Baby hairs is a must on curly units, especially if you're going for the short look. Now if you have never seen my videos before, which I don't know why, but if that is the case, I do prefer to do my baby hairs on my lace and use the Got to Be Grooved hair gel to swoop in my baby hairs. Now I do use mousse every once in a while, but I like the harsh look that gel gives my hair when I am going for a curly hairstyle. And I do use mousse on this look as well, but I use it primarily on the roots of this wig to slick it down and give it a more smooth look. Now I am moving on to the curl activating part. I want to see exactly how these curls is going to pop with this color, honey, because this cut is giving me all the life that I need. I love it. Yes. So before I wet my hair, I am making sure I have my hair placed exactly where I want my curls to fall, because once I wet my hair and I add product, I don't like to go back in and mess with my hair because it causes frizziness and it just disrupts the curls, and I don't like that. You know, that type of stuff be upsetting me and my homegirl. I just don't like that. But this is how the back of the wig looks. Y'all, this wig is bomb as hell. Like, without me even like defining the curls, I can already tell this wig is gonna be nice. Okay, so 45 minutes later, I finally decided on how I'm going to do my hair. But no, seriously, once I saturate the hair with water, I'm going in with my Garnier Fructis curl cream or buttercream. I love this stuff. It's super bomb. Love it on my natural hair. I say this like in every curly hair video because this is the product that I pretty much love to death on my curly hair. But I'm going to apply that all over. Then I'm going to go in with a brush and I am going to detangle. Once I have all the product in the hair and I've detangled the hair, I'm going in with some fabulous mousse, honey. Everybody should know I love mousse when it comes to the wet look on my curly wigs. Like, I just love the look of my hair looking wet, but it's not. And I love the definition that mousse gives curly hair. Like, girl, I love it. Bomb as hell, right? Yes. So now it is time to cut the lace off of this wig. I am just in love. Oh my god, I love this wig. It is so cute. So yeah, let me go ahead and cut the lace off and I'll be back. Okay, so check this out. I was really trying to go with the whole red theme today, but Ariana lost my red headband, so I'm just going to have to use my red scarf and just make it work. So I'm just going to tie that around my head and create a look, honey. I love this look with the headband. It just gives a fresh and young look. And then here I am just taking my hand and fluffing out the curls. I am not running my fingers completely through the curls because I don't want the hair to frizz up. I just want a little bit of fluffiness to the hair. And this is one of the styles that I created with wearing this beautiful wig. And then of course you can take the headband off and just, you know, get your grown and sexy on and just wear it just like this. Either way, sis, both is a look, okay? Now for the next look, I'm going in with a different headband. This is the Cantu headband. I picked this up from Target. I'll make sure I have the link below because it's actually a really nice headband. So what I'm going to do here is actually fluff out my curls even more and show out the beautiful cut and color in this wig. Now this next look here is my favorite. I also picked up this headband from Target and I'll have that link below as well. Now this headband is my favorite because I can do this beautiful like pineapple look style. Ooh, yes, girl, giving all types of natural looks. I can do this beautiful pineapple look with this headband, and I've always loved this look on my natural girls, but my hair isn't long enough just yet to get this fullness to it. But I love this look. Oh my god. And my husband, he was like, girl, what you trying to do, take over the world today? I was like, yes, you know it. Like, this wig is everything, this style is everything. So like I said, I had so much fun doing this video and rocking these beautiful wig hairstyles. This is hands down a beautiful wig with great quality, and the blonde highlights just adds an extra bonus to this wig. This is hands down one of my favorite curly wigs. Order this wig. I promise you, you will be happy you did.